Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to convert your Google Sheets information from one language into another language. And today's tutorial is gonna be a tutorials for converting from English into Hindi, or Indonesia to Hindi, or Korea into Hindi. So actually it's just be the same. So the sources of the information will be in English, Indonesia or Korea. So it's just up to you as long as you know the code for each country. So the code for the English will be EN, the code for the Indonesia will be ID, and the code for the Korea will be KNO. So for the code for Indie, it's gonna like H and I. So you just need to follow this instruction. Go click the cells, and after that, whenever you already click the cells, go click this pencils button, and now just need to go click this equal and start typing Google Translate. And we find it, just need to click it and follow the instruction that written in this part. So you just need to click the searches of the word or information. For example, if you want to translate from Korea to Hindi, you just need to go click the Korea. But then if you want to translate from English to Hindi, just go click the searches in English type. My bad, I choose the wrong. Okay, so I already clicked the B5 target, and after that you just need to add these symbols. Go click the space and add these symbols again. And now, as I said before, you need to know the symbols for the English country, which is here is ENN. Add these symbols again, go add this part and go click space and go at this symbol. And now the target language, which is Hindi, you need to know the symbols for Hindi, which is H and I. Add these last symbols and just go click done and wait until the Google Sheet translated for you. You can see here now it's already translated from English to Hindi. And now let's do for the rest of the cells. We don't need to do it manually, we just need to do an autofill by block the cells. Oh my bad. Click all of the cells, and whenever you're done, you just need to go click all of the cells blocked and go click autofill and let them generate. And now all of the words from this English table is already translated into Hindi. So that's the way how to convert from one language into another languages. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.